So welcome, we can now do the invoicing part. It is under here. Yeah. And here you can, here a list of invoices where you can get the invoice ID, customer name, you can get the total amount of that invoice, you can get the balance, you can view the status whether paid or unpaid. So like all these are unpaid. You can also view or edit the due date. Like here you can edit the due date. You can increase or decrease it, whichever. The date invoice was created, and also you can the PDF the invoice. So when you PDF the invoice, it comes like this. It is here. So this is a PDF of the invoice where it has the invoice particulars, also the payment history and so on. And from this page, you can create invoice is here. You can select a customer, maybe John Doe, whoever. Then you can select the due date, maybe tomorrow, that is on 19th, because today is 18th. You can also collect these items, assuming these are. So in here, it selects the products. The products are what you put over here. The products are here. Like for example, this. So the products are over there. Products are over here, where you put the products. So when you select here, you type the first two letters, then it auto selects automatically. You can add another, maybe assuming Jen. Then you create the invoice. And there it comes. Invoice 712. This is not the invoice. So in this particular invoice, you can still download invoice as PDF. You can change the due date. Like the due date is 19th, you can change it maybe to 20 something or whichever, to 20th. You can change the due date. So the due date is into 20th. You can also add more items here. Let me put Jan. You can put the price, you can edit the price, or just allow the price to remain the same. So once you add any item here, it auto-populates it calculates afresh the price. Like it was this 60, it was 489 plus 60, then it has added 600. So the price has gone up. When you remove, the prices reduce automatically. So whether you add or already remove the prices automatically, it's automatically updated. And from here you can upload any file, maybe agreement form, maybe some confirmation form, or maybe some authentication or whichever. Then you save them from there. This is now the file you can download. You can also accept partial payments here. The total price is 1089. Assuming the clients had paid only 500, you can put 500. Then to what account? To Intercent. Then you add the payment. So that next time the client comes, can make the remaining payment. So you see here total is 1089. He has paid 500. The balance is 500. So you can add another, maybe balance 589, and he has paid by Intercent. You can add. And there it comes. So anytime you add a payment, like now in this invoice, we have two payments. So anytime you add a payment in an invoice, email is sent automatically to the admin and also sent automatically to the customer. Customer is sent that the confirmation or the payment has been received and so on, so forth. Here you can send the invoice or you can send SMS. Maybe it is 254 something to the customer. You send there. Here you can send an email. You can remind the customer to pay. Yeah. So once you send, email has been successfully sent to the client. And also when you look at the invoices, the list of invoices on this particular page, you can also filter these invoices by month. Maybe the invoice that is due April are these, the invoice that is due July are those, the invoice that are due March are those. Or alternatively, suppose you have many invoices, for example, maybe 10 invoices unpaid, you can remind the clients at once, all the clients at once. So what you do is simple. You select, it selects the one that are unpaid, and then you can put email remind or SMS remind. Then you apply. So once you do that, it sends to all the clients the invoices. Then it also reminds all the clients to pay, to make a payment. I think that is all for the invoicing, where the system allows you to create invoice, remind customers to pay. You can download PDF, you can email, you can SMS, or you can simply monitor. You can check which one is due, which one is not due. And you can also mark invoices paid. For example, this invoice here. When you add the payment, for example, you add the payment 55 and the code is that. When you add the payment, it automatically marks that invoice as paid. And now we have the 27 invoices that are left. And that is all for the invoices today. And thank you.